windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be. For a moment we feel like we're kings and queens, and nothing but a t-shirt and ripped up jeans. We are free, can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove, and this is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moments turn to memories, memories. Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit back and watch the sun paint us gold. For a moment we feel like we rule the world. We are free, can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove, and this is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moments turn to memories, memories.
Hi, it's me, Shiori. It's been ages. I still remember when we danced together. That was a happy memory. Maybe 20 years have passed since then. And you're gonna get married? Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Congratulations, Julia and John.
Congratulations, Julia and Jan. I'm so happy for you. May today be the beginning of a long, wonderful life together. Thank you.
Hello, good evening po guys. Good evening kay sa pamangking kong maganda na si Julia. Congrats sa inyong dalawa ni Jan. At pagpalain kayo at patnubayan ng Panginoong may kapal sa inyong buhay. Basta palaging magdadasal at huwag makakalimot. Naiiyak ako Bakit ba? See you soon. Bye. Naiiyak ako. Bakit kayo? Bye. Congrats. Best wishes. Julia and Jan. Bye.
Ma'am Julia, sorry hindi ako nakapunta. Alam mo naman ako super busy. Tapos, congrats na din sa inyong dalawa ni Kuya. At sana bigyan kayo ng maraming blessing, Lord, sa pagsasama ninyo. Ayun. Kapag nag-aaway kayo, ayun. Maging challenge yun sa inyo para tumibay yung pagsasama ninyo. Alam ko naman kayang-kaya mo na yun. Yun lang. Congrats, ma'am. Bawi na lang ako sa wedding mo. Bye!
Hi, Jules! Congratulations! Soon to be Mrs. Lakap ka na. Ingat palagi. Pasensya na hindi ako nakapunta. Love you!
Hi, Bess. Eto na nga. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding. And I wish you the best in life. Congratulations to you and John. In fairness, ang tagal mo na. Masasabi ko lang sana all. And ayan, I'm so happy for you. I miss you. See you soon.
Hello, Queen! Congratulations in advance! Yan, enjoy nyo lang yan. Ilang beses ako pinalo up ni ate. Ngayon ako nakagawa ng video kasi alam mo naman yung naanak mo. Yan, ngayon lang natulog. We love you!
Hi, Ate Julia, Ate Ganda. Congratulations po sa successful na bridal shower. And congratulations din po in advance sa inyo ni Kuya John sa inyong darating na wedding. And masaya po ako malaman na kakasal ka po sa tao na higit pa sa dinasal nyo kay Lord. And sa tao na na-appreciate kayo, na naiintindihan kayo. And ang wish ko lang po sa inyong dalawa ay maging patuloy po ang inyong pagiging blessing sa isa't isa. And malaman po ako sa bridal shower, masaya po ako that I was able to have this message sent to Ate Lars. And enjoy the rest of your bridal shower. And I miss you, Ate Julia. I love you and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye!
Hi, ate! Happy birthday! Joke lang. Di pala to birthday. Congratulations sa inyo ni Johnny. I know you've been waiting for this day. And wishing you all the best. And sorry, di ako nakauwi. Pero okay lang yan. Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Basta, mag-enjoy kayo. And congratulations again. Best wishes to both of you. I love you guys. Bye.
Hi, Julia! Yes, it's me, Ate Lars. And ayan, congratulations on your successful bridal shower na inorganize ng iyong napaka-supportive na ate, Janelle. And ayan, congratulations sa inyo ni John dahil ayan na, nalalapit na ang inyong pag-iisang dibdib. And I wish na marami pa kayong pagsubok na malampasan and stay strong. Syempre, ibang level na yung iyong tatahakin and I am very, very proud. Proud talaga ako sa'yo sa lahat ng mga bagay na na-achieve mo. And ayun ngayon ay darating ka na sa punto ng buhay mo na magiging isang ganap na babae ka na talaga dahil mapapangasawa mo na ang iyong pinakamamahal. And ayan, congratulations sa inyo ni John. Magpakatatag pa kayo. Marami pa kayong pagsubok na pagdadaanan. And stay healthy. And more babies to come. Ayan. Alam nyo na yon. And magpakabait ka. And be patient sa iyong mga papangasawa dahil alam kong marami pa kayong pagdadaan ng mga hindi pagkakaunawaan. Pero alam ko na with the guidance of the Lord, hindi kayo pababayaan. And ayun, congratulations and happy wedding. Best wishes. Love you.
Hi Julia, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi. Kasi gabi na dito. Tatatapos ko lang rin ang sabay. Anyway, first of all, I'd like to say congratulations sa inyong dalawa ni John. Uy, English! Ayun. Congratulations, I'm so happy for you. Nandiyan ka na sa level na yan, seryosohan na yan. Hindi na siya biro. Lalo ka pa naman, topake, nako, patay, nako. Medyo buwas-buwasan, iba na yan. ayun, siguro masasabi ko lang, be strong. Any kind of trials or pagsubok na pagdadaanan nyo, pag-usapan nyo. Walang bagay na hindi nadadaan sa magandang usapan. Less away para gumanda ang relasyon. Gumanda yung samahan nyo. Saka, pag hindi talaga kaya, ibatista bomb mo na lang dyan. Yun na lang. Ha? Anyway, ayun, congratulations. And I'm really sorry kung hindi ako makakapunta. Hindi kakayanin eh. Dahil kay Eros nga, hindi ko rin, na-miss ko rin. Hindi ba sa Eros? Hindi ko ayun, Ross. Sorry. Anyway, again, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. And I love you so much. Basta dito lang ako lagi bilang kuya mo. And huwag mo pabayaan sarili mo lagi. So, yun lang. Saka pala, kalimutan ko. Mama Lilia, Bicol Express. Okay. So, okay, matutulog na rin. Yun lang. Miss you and love you. Bye. Thank you for watching.